Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a shop vac bag. First, always prioritize safety. Before you do anything else, unplug your shop vac from the wall. This prevents any accidental starts. Make sure your workspace is clear and bright, and don't forget to put on your gloves and a dust mask. These simple steps will keep you safe and clean throughout the process. Now that safety is covered, let's get inside your shop vac. Most models have 2 to 4 clips around the top that hold the motor head in place. Simply unlatch these, then gently lift the entire motor head straight up and set it down carefully. This will expose the inside of the canister and the dirty bag, allowing you to see how it's currently installed. With the motor head removed, you'll see the old bag. It's typically held in place by a cardboard collar that slides over the inlet port inside the canister. Carefully slide this collar off the port. Then, gently lift the entire bag out of the canister. To minimize dust, immediately place the used bag into a sturdy trash bag and seal it up. This keeps your workspace clean. Now for the new bag, unfold your fresh shop vac bag. Locate the cardboard collar and slide it firmly onto the inlet port, making sure it's snug and secure. Gently push the bag down so it fully extends and sits properly inside the canister. Finally, carefully place the motor head back onto the canister, aligning it correctly, and secure all the latches. You're all set for powerful cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.